안녕하세요. Chairman D Shanda. If you doubt what's going on, everyone, it's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today we are unboxing. Hold on, let me cover up the address. Oh my goodness. This right here. This is my Ricky's Occult Crushes. I will leave all the information down below about Ricky's Cult Crushes. All right. Ricky's Cult Crushes is $11 a month, and this is for the month of April 2018, if I haven't said that already. Now, I've been getting Ricky's since, I think, February. So this is February, March, April. This is my third box, okay? And Ricky's is a newer subscription. I believe they came out in August of 2017. And they're really good. So I kind of jumped on the bandwagon for Ricky's at the beginning of the year, like I said, in February. And I do know Ricky's. If you live in New York City, you know what Ricky's is. When you go into a Ricky's store in New York, if you love makeup, first of all, I highly suggest that you go to Ricky's. When you go into Ricky's, first of all, it is wall-to-wall makeup. Literally, wall-to-wall makeup. And they have all kinds of brands. Brands I've never even heard of are in Ricky's. It's an amazing store. So they have everything. I mean, I could live in that store as a makeup lover and just lose my mind and spend all my money in Ricky's, and it's cheap. It's very good price, very good prices in there. And with this, and speaking of cheap or inexpensive, with this subscription, if you are a subscriber to Ricky's Cult Crushes, the subscription, you will automatically get 25% off everything on their website. That is right, and it comes off automatically. There's no coupon code needed. It's a beautiful thing, okay? And by the way, if you want to subscribe to Ricky's, there is a wait list. They are sold out of, currently they're sold out of the box they were sold out for March, which was curated by Too Much Mouth, and that was a good box too. I should have unboxed it on my channel, but I didn't. And they are sold out for this month, which is April. So if you go on the Ricky's website, the link is down below, and you want to subscribe, I highly suggest you do that before they're sold out for the month of May. And you'll have to be on a wait list until June, because believe me, this box, it's $11 a month. It's a good value of what you get. I guarantee it. So it's a makeup beauty subscription box, by the way. And it's jam-packed with stuff. Oh my goodness, I just opened it up. And wow, it is, yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, it's jam-packed. This is the card. I love the logo. Cult Crushes by Ricky's. You have to go to the store if you're in New York. And I think there's a location in Virginia, but I could be wrong. This is everything that we got this month. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4 things. There's that hashtag. Go to Ricky's. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. First thing I got. I see some nails, y'all. This is from Nail Her Nail Makeup. These are some snap-on nails, basically. Look at that. I got some press-on nails. This is awesome. Awesome dawsome. Because I am going to a wedding this summer, and I was going to get my nails done. I might use these. Instructions on how to do them back there. Nice. So this is this is from Nail Her. This is called the Snap-On Manicure. All right, that's what this is. I'm not going to read the entire description on the card. We have, what is this? This is Moonlit Skincare Midnight Shift, an overnight facial oil. So this is a little sample of the overnight facial oil there. This is what the other side looks like there. All right. Next thing. Oh, yeah. These are needed. These are a staple in my makeup routine when I remove my makeup. These are from Burt'sBees. And these are the micellar. I cannot pronounce this word. Micellar I can't pronounce the word. Cleansing towelettes with white cypress oil. So they are makeup remover wipes basically. And they look like that. That word right there I couldn't say. Micellar, y'all, whatever. You know what it is. It removes makeup, dig jagged. That's what it is. Here's what the pack looks like. And how many wipes do we get? Does it tell me? How many wipes do we get? It doesn't tell me, but it does tell me. There are 30. 30 wipes are in here. All right, sweetness. All right, and then 1, 2, 3. I got one more thing, and I got a palette from Chi-Chi's. Yay, I'm happy that I got this. And I got an email from Ricky's that I was going to get this because I was supposed to get this in my box for, was it February, I think? And I didn't get it because they were out. So I got a Chi-Chi's palette. And Chi-Chi's Cosmetics, I believe they're in Australia, like I thought. They're in Australia. And it's a cruelty-free company, and I've checked out their website. It's awesome. And this palette, this is the other side. Here are the colors in the palette. I am happy about that. Look at those bright colors. I am loving that because I'm not afraid of color. I mean, if you could, this lighting in my bathroom isn't doing it any justice, but I'm wearing this bright pink, neon pink lipstick. You can't tell that it's neon pink because these lights are not doing it justice, but it's blinding. But look at that. And it's cruelty free. Look at the leaping bunny, y'all. Not tested on animals. And like I said, it's the oh my fucking god OMFG eyeshadow palette. Let's open her up, shall we? I got my scissors here. Whoops. Got my scissors here because it is taped up, y'all. I like the packaging on this. I will tell you that. Packaging is nice. Come on. Come on. I can't get it open. I have totally ripped. Okay, I just totally ripped this box. I ripped the box. I can't get it open. The struggle. Here we go. Here we go. Come on out. Here. Oh, and look at that. It's even wrapped in more plastic. Nice. Let's take the plastic off there. Throw that away in the trash behind me. Again, that's what it looks like outside. That packaging is nice. And there's the other side. I'm excited about this palette, y'all. Ooh-wee. All right, look at this. It has a mirror that I'm going to cover up. Those are the colors. Oh, yeah. We gonna have some fun with this palette. I'm so happy. Look at the colors. Oh, my goodness. Yes. Oh, I see a lot of blues and oranges and greens. Oh, my. And pinks and purple and yellow. Oh, my. Okay, I'm happy. Yes, and it comes with a brush, too. Let me take the brush out and just show you guys. Nice brush. It's all wrapped into the thing. I'm not going to take that out, but that's what the brush looks like there. And yeah, that is everything that I got in my Ricky's Cult Crushes for the month of April 2018. I am happy. It doesn't tell me prices on here, unfortunately. But yeah, it doesn't say it. But yeah. I'm happy with this. So let me recap really fast. There's nothing else in here, right? Nope, there's nothing else in here but the worms. But let's recap. I got from Chi-Chi's the OMFG palette, which I am happy about because if y'all know me, y'all know I am not afraid of color. I love bright colors. Okay, anyway, let me stop. The Burt'sBees makeup wipes, I'm happy to get those. The Nail Her press-on nails right there. And then I got the Midnight Shift facial oil right there. And that's everything in my Ricky's Cult Crushes for May. Not May, April 2018. Let me know what you got in your box because we may get different things. I don't know if there's variations of these boxes or not, but if you got something different, go ahead and leave it down below. Like I said, this is like my third box from Ricky's, and I'm in love. This subscription for $11 a month ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, thanks for watching, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that if you like this type of content, unboxings and whatnot. Leave a comment down below, thumbs up the video and whatnot, and I will talk to you later. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고